traders. Maverick Indicators here, we are on the ES, okay? And it's about 5 minutes till 1 p.m. And I want to show how the Maverick AI Pro can really help you out when you're executing the ORB strategy. Now, everybody knows the ORB strategy is you mark your high of the first 15 minutes and the low of your first 15 minutes. And then you wait for a break and a retest of the higher or the low, okay? So, but there's traps in this, right? People just want to mark the high and the low of the first 15 minutes and then just, that's it. And they get trapped constantly. So what happens is if you really, follow the ORB strategy, you would break below here. You broke below the ORB, the first 15 minutes, right? And then you would wait for a retest, and then you'd go down, which it kind of did do, but we didn't all the way get there. So you could have missed your entry here, right? Could have missed your entry. But for those of us with the Maverick AI Pro, this was a no-brainer to get in right here. Well, yeah, but you got to wait till it retests and then you can get, but a lot of times it doesn't retest. It'll just drop and it'll never come back. You understand? I'm sure you've seen plenty of those days where it will drop and then it doesn't come back up and even get close. It just drops and then and then you miss the whole day of trading. And look, we're only in one contract and we're up $1,000 on this one trade. Now let me turn on the Maverick AI Pro and show you how we knew to get in on the close below the first 15-minute marking here. Okay, so let me turn this sucker on. Let me engage my Maverick AI Pro, which is going to color the charts and give me clear vision. Okay, so let me walk you through why we knew to take this trade and not wait for a retest, because you don't always get the retest. And again, the proof is in the pudding. This is a live trade, and we're up $1,100 on this trade. Well, look, 1, 2, 3 down arrows. 3 down arrows on the Maverick AI Pro, giving us confidence that we are gonna go lower. The second thing I'll tell you is we have a red background. This is telling you, not teaching you, I'm teaching you right now. This is telling you the trend direction. So I don't even have to second guess. Which way is the trend going? It's a red background. My mom could point that out. Down arrows, red background. You are below your Maverick guide. Folks, this blue line right here is like gold, okay? When we are above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. And look how it's just guiding you all day long, this Maverick guide. If you are below the Maverick guide, we stay short, okay? We're below our cloud. We're below our Maverick 200. The Maverick 200 is red. But here's what I really liked about this trade that made it a no-brainer for me to jump in when we broke the 15-minute range. We broke it, we closed below it, and we had pink candles. When you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay, I'm going to say that again. That's a saying at Maverick Indicators. When you see pink, it will most likely sink. And sink it did. I did not have to wait for a retest. We didn't even get all the way up there, okay? All right? We were short of a retest. And you know how many traders would wait till it retests up here and then take, and they missed this entire move. We're only in one contract and we're up over $1,000, okay? So, Maverick AI Pro, red background, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. Yeah, you had a couple of in this choppy area, but big deal. On top of that, but the colors didn't match. And when you learn this indicator, you realize you just ignore these green arrows because your colors don't match. Pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. I knew the minute I saw pink candles, especially this big boy right here, it wasn't coming back. high probability it wasn't going to shoot back up here. There's no way you get these pink candles that goes through the roof. High probability, it's going to go down. Gray is your reversal candle. Gray is your reversal candle. Red is your second hottest momentum down candle. Pink is your hottest, most steam, most energy candle to the downside. And we teach you all this. There's only like 4 colors to memorize with the Maverick AI Pro. Okay, these are indicators built by traders, refined in research and development by artificial intelligence, and this is sick. Okay, so did we need to wait for a retest? Nope. We just got in, and boy, is it paying off. And look, now we got another red arrow. We're below our Maverick guide. Remember, we go short when we're below the Maverick guide. We go long when we're above it. We're below our cloud. We still have a red background. And this sucker, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. And look, now we're up over $1,200 on this bad boy. Okay? So listen, if you are interested in the Maverick AI Pro or any one of our indicators, check us out. Okay, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com, and we'll get you hooked up.